Why hello there YouTube family. What do you think about chocolate? I love it and I'm sure you do too. What do you think about churros dunked in chocolate or churros dunked in hot chocolate? Right, that's what we're gonna make today, cinnamon crusted churros. So what you're gonna need is 2 cups of water, pop that into the pot. 2 tablespoons of butter, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, some cinnamon. That then goes onto the stove. You're gonna melt the butter, bring it all to the boil, and then remove from the heat. Add your flour, and then mix like a crazy person. It's really difficult, but you don't want lumps, and you gotta get it done. Okay, what I like to do to make my life a heck of a lot easier is once you get all the flour and everything to come together into a nice little ball like that, I pop it into my mixer, just like that. So then we can just get it going with the paddle attachment, and you're cooling it and mixing it at the same time before you can add your eggs. Because if you add your eggs now, scrambled eggs, you don't want that. So, into the mixer. Okie dokie, so now we're gonna take this delicious choux pastry effectively, that's what churros are made from, and we're gonna pop it into a piping bag with a star nozzle. You can make your life a heck of a lot easier if you pop this into a cup and then scrape in your contents. But, well, I forgot to get a cup, so. And voila. So you can now just literally pop this straight into oil that's at about 180 degrees. But I actually want like a specific shape. I want a little circle. So I'm gonna pop it onto a tray that's lined with baking paper and sprayed with non-stick spray. Pop it into the fridge, just kind of set the shape a little bit for about half an hour, and then it goes into the oil. So while your churros are resting in the fridge, we are gonna make the ganache, because what would churros be without hot, delicious, chocolatey sauce? First up, we're gonna pop 100 grams of dark chocolate into a bowl. Then pour over heated cream, allow it to sit for 2 minutes, then stir until the chocolate starts to melt and everything comes together. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of almond butter. How good does that look? So we've got hot chocolate, delicious, steamy, yummy hot chocolate, then a churro hanging out in there, toasted marshmallow, then some nutty ganache just poured over it. I'm actually just gonna like do a little dunk on my marshmallow. And then my churro. I mean, chocolate heaven, churro heaven. I don't even know what to say. Enjoy. So, into the mixer. That's not going on. TV. Why hello there YouTube family. What do you do?